Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful wattle stitch. For this tutorial I will be using double knit yarn in pink and blue, and I'm going to be working this with a 4.5mm crochet hook. We're going to start off by working a slip knot. To do this, you're going to take the yarn, wrap it around your two fingers and make an X at the base. Slip your thumb inside, grab hold of the yarn from the right and pull this down. Now this should create your slip knot. I'm going to put my crochet inside and tighten the loop around your crochet by pulling on this end. Now when we're working with wattle stitch, it's worked in multiples of 3. If you were making a baby blanket, I would suggest for you to chain anything between 120 and 145. As this is only a sample, I'm going to chain 18. Yarn over, pull through the loop, 1, yarn over, pull through the loop 2, yarn over, pull through the loop 3. Just like this, go ahead and work your desired number of chains and meet me back here. Once you have your desired number of chains, you're going to skip the first 2. So this one and this one. We're going to skip those 2 chains and we're going to work a single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook. Slip your crochet in the top part of this chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. 2 loops on your crochet. Yarn over and pull through both of them in one go. This is your first single crochet, and I'm talking in US terminology. This would be a double crochet in UK terminology. From here you're going to chain 1, yarn over your crochet. We're going back into that very same chain stitch and pull up a loop. 3 loops on your crochet this time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now within that same chain stitch, we've worked a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, or in UK terminology, double crochet, chain 1 and a treble crochet. From here we're going to skip the next 2 chains, so this one, and in the 3rd chain over, I'm going to repeat the same process again. So slip your crochet in there, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your crochet, yarn over, pull through both, chain 1, yarn over, go back into that very same stitch and work a double crochet. And this is your repeat for the whole row. You're going to skip 2 chains. In the 3rd chain, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and repeat that until the end of this row. I'm now at the end of my first row, and we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and we're going to yarn over and work a half double crochet in the last stitch of our row. So slip your crochet in the top part of this chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet. Going to yarn over and pull through all 3 in one go, and that creates your half double crochet stitch. Now from here you can certainly use the same color and carry on working with your project, or you can change the color. I'm going to be changing this to a pink color this time. So I'm going to pull the new color through the loop that I had on my crochet. I'm going to pull this down, and now I can go ahead and snip the old blue color off. I tend to give these 2 tail ends a little knot in place as well to secure it down. And there we go. There are various ways of changing color of the yarn, so stick with the method that you prefer or use this one, it's up to you. From here we're going to start the next row. To do that, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work around. Now this time we're going to be repeating the same thing, but we're going to be working that in the chain 1 space from our previous row. So here's my double crochet, and there's my chain 1 space, and here's my single crochet. So I'm going to slip my crochet inside this chain 1 space from my previous row and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both in one go. Chain 1, yarn over, back into that same space, and we're now going to work a double crochet. And just like this, we can finish this row off by just working a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet in that same chain 1 space between your stitches from your previous row. Single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. I've only got a couple more stitches left, so we're going to work till the end together. And my last chain 1 space here. I'm going to work a single crochet, chain 1 and yarn over and go into that space to work a double crochet. Now from here, before we turn our corner, we are going to work a half double crochet into the turning chain. So we're going to slip this crochet into, yarn over and slip the crochet into the chain that we did earlier, the turning chain, and pull up a loop from there. 3 loops on our crochet, yarn over, pull through all 3 in one go. By doing this, you are going to have a straighter edge. Now from here, you can certainly go ahead and change the color again, or stick with the same color and follow the same process over and over again until you get to your desired length for your project. I'm going to work 2 more rows and I'll meet you back here. I'm now at the end of my final row and we're going to finish off by working a half double crochet in the turning chain as well. So yarn over, go into that chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your crochet, yarn over, pull through all 3 in one go. Now I can finish this off by chaining 1. Let's go ahead and snip this color off and pull this through the loop. Pull this down to secure this stitch down, and now I can use a darning needle to work all of these ends in. And there you have it. This is your wattle stitch. If you enjoyed learning this stitch with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.